Start by grabbing your piece of wood and measuring how long you want your signage to be. Once you've got the length, place it into your mitre box and use the diagonal slot to guide your saw as you make the cut. Take the other half of the wood you just cut, line it up so the diagonal cut you made matches. Then grab a pencil and ruler to measure and mark the bottom edge for your next cut. Saw along the new pencil line, this time using the middle slot of your mitre box for a straight cut. Now take both wooden pieces and mirror them. You should end up with 4 angled pieces in total. These will frame your signage. Next, get a longer piece of wood. This will serve as the base for your sign where everything gets attached. Attach your angled frame pieces to the base wood. I used nails here, but you can also use wood glue if you prefer. Time to bring it to life. Sketch your design onto the wood, then go ahead and paint it however you like. Get creative. And there you have it, a custom wooden signage piece. Perfect for your booth, market stall, or any creative display.